Today we're on LIGNA exhibition, this new model of servo control at edgebanding, 710 model. The machine has full servo adjustment, pre-milling unit, servo magazine for 4 different colors, automatic glue feeding by this pipe to the melter. Machine can work with PUR and AVA glue. And cutting unit with automatic lubrication, trimming unit, rounding unit for 2 motors, scrapping unit, trimming unit together with scrapping unit, flat scrapper of new type, polishing wheel, automatic liquid feeding. Machine comes with a belt, pressure belt. The new model of 2025.